What if you could see without your eyes? Neuralink just announced human trials for a revolutionary vision implant that directly stimulates the brain, its visual cortex, bypassing damaged eyes altogether. Elon Musk's Neuralink is pushing brain-computer interfaces to new heights with their Blindsight device. Designed for the blind, this implant uses microelectrodes to activate neurons in the brain responsible for vision. It's not science fiction. It's happening as soon as late 2025 or early 2026. The implant's microelectrode array stimulates the visual cortex to create visual perception. Early monkey tests showed blurry, low-res shapes. Think of seeing with a pixelated camera. But the goal is to improve clarity as users adapt and technology advances. In 2024, the FDA fast-tracked this implant with breakthrough device status. Neuralink plans its first human implant in the UAE with Cleveland Clinic Abu Dhabi and has opened a global patient registry for blind volunteers. Brain implants aren't without risks. Past patients faced issues like thread retraction. Plus, the brain doesn't see like a screen, so perfect vision is far from guaranteed. Still, the potential to change millions of lives is huge. Will Neuralink redefine blindness treatment, or is this breakthrough still years away? What do you think about brain chips restoring sight? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more brain tech updates.